What if I told you the secret to Popeyes irresistibly flaky buttery biscuits is just 3 ingredients and it takes just 20 minutes? There's no more drive-thru that's needed. You are going to need Pioneer Buttermilk baking mix, buttermilk, and you are going to stir these up together and then knead them together. While your oven preheats to 450 degrees, you are going to cut these with a 2-inch biscuit cutter. You're going to get about 8 or so biscuits out of this. You're going to put a little bit of melted butter on the bottom of these biscuits. This is a unique characteristic about these biscuits. They're crispy on the bottom. When you take them out of the oven, you're going to brush a little bit of melted butter on top, and you can see how easy this was to make. These are warm, flaky, buttery perfection in just minutes. Try these biscuits tonight and your family will think you stopped at Popeyes. And if you love Copycat recipes, well, come on over to copycat.com.